एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चलचित्रा टॉक्स। मेरा नाम स्मेधा है। इस एपिसोड के लिए मैं कुछ नया ट्राई करना चाहती थी एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ रिकमेंडिंग सॉन्ग्स एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्टिस्ट दैट आई ऑलरेडी लाइक, I wanted to start exploring a new genre by listening to three or four most noted artists in that area and wanted to share with you what I thought about the genre and what were my most favorite discoveries. For this episode, I decided to explore a genre called electro swing, which is a subgenre under jazz. And I chose this because I wanted to explore more under jazz, and experimental and contemporary jazz is something I've been really liking a lot. And I know that jazz in itself is such a big genre. So I chose electro swing also because swing music is something that I had not explored at all until this point. Like I knew I'd heard of swing music, but I did not really properly know what swing music is. Electro swing music basically combines influences of old school jazz and swing music with modern elements of hip hop, pop, and electronic. And swing music is a form of jazz that developed in 1930s and 40s and became very famous as dancing music. Like it was the jazz music to dance to. The first band that I explored under electro swing is called Boogie Belgique. They're a Belgian experimental hip hop and swing band. From all the songs that I've heard by Boogie Belgique so far, I found that the music is a fusion of new and old swing elements and combined with a lot of electronic elements as well. And the vibe of the music is it's very vintage, and that's something that I really liked about it. The music is more on the melancholic and nostalgic end of electro swing rather than outright happy and danceable, which is the prominent swing music feature. The song that I like the most by Boogie Belgique is called Forever and Ever. It was the first song that was recommended in a YouTube mix, and as soon as it started, I was hooked to it. Like it was very different, and the vintage vibe and the nostalgic vibe that it gave basically was really good. In the song, there's a vocal sample which is basically singing Forever and Ever, and that is repeated throughout. That combined with jazz and the electronic beats was really amazing. This is the song that I would want to listen to when I'm in the mood for something which is low-key upbeat and is also very relaxing to listen to. For a lot of the songs that I heard by Boogie Belgique, I found a lot of them to be very easily forgettable. There were only a few that I would want to go back and listen to. But whatever songs that I discovered by them, I really liked it, and I think this is a very different sort of music for me also. And I definitely want to explore more by Boogie Belgique, and I think I will go and listen to their entire discography. So a few more songs that I want to mention that I really liked by them are Every Time, Stairway to the USSR, and Mr. Yutani. One more thing that I really liked about this band is that for a lot of the songs, the videos that they've used are basically very old time footage of cities, different cities, and it's just people like passing through in that video or just cars going by, and it's like in black and white, so I really liked that as well, and it went with the music really well. The next band that I explored in electro swing is called Caravan Palace, and they're a French electronic band from Paris. When I was doing my research on electro swing music on Reddit, Caravan Palace is one band whose name was mentioned a lot, and it is apparently one of the most respected and pioneer bands of electro swing music. The first song that I heard by them is called Lone Digger, and it is a very famous song, and I realized that I'd heard this before but did not know that Caravan Palace was the band behind the song. And it's a very, very catchy song, and even the video is very interesting to watch. It's basically an animated video where they're showing three cats who go into a bar and all the random things that happen to them. So after exploring more songs by this band, I found it to be a bit too pop for my current taste, and it would not be something that I would want to specifically go and listen to. But I think it would be very good music for house parties because the beats are very catchy, and they're also like the overall music is very upbeat. There's a lot going on in the instrumentation, so for me that was, I guess, a bit confusing because there was not just one element that was standing out. Like everything was, I guess, good and everything was mixed. So yeah, for me, Caravan Palace, maybe I need to explore more. Like I heard only a few songs, and my current verdict is that yeah, I would not specifically go and listen to them again. But if any of you do like Caravan Palace, I would love to know what are your favorite songs and what is it that you like about the band. The third artist that I've explored so far in electro swing is Caro Emerald. and she is a Dutch pop and jazz singer. She uses a lot of Latin and hip hop influences in her music. When I was listening to her music, I was taken back to like the old times, and her music is very easily likable. Like it can be classified as like mainstream pop music. The instrumentation is quite simple. Her voice is really nice, and it's something you would enjoy dancing to. And I think if I would have known about Caro Emerald in my school time, I would have really liked her and would have binged on her songs a lot. But currently, I think my stance is that if any of her songs come in a playlist or come in my YouTube autoplay, I would listen to them, but I would not go and specifically search and listen to her songs yet. Some of the songs that I really enjoyed by Caro Emerald and that are considered to be some of her most famous hits are A Night Like This, Back It Up, and That Man. So this was my exploration into electro swing music so far, and my favorite discovery has been Boogie Belgique, specifically their song Forever and Ever. My current stance on this genre is that I think I need to explore more artists before I can say if I like it or not. But it's definitely very catchy, and it's been a lot of fun exploring this genre. I would love to know from you what are some of your favorite electro swing artists and some artists that you would want to recommend to me. And if you were not aware of electro swing yet, what did you think about these artists? And I'll be back next week with another such video.